Hey guys, welcome back to Adventures with Rob. I'm only probably going to do this one video this week. Been a little bit busy. We're trying to get our living room. This is the wife's old office. Trying to get it done. We got a fresh coat of paint on everything. Got everything stuffed into all the other rooms. You can see Enki back there. Oh, there he is. I'm getting ready right now to do floors. We got just the bare plywood down. In the last 4 days, we have mudded, sanded all the drywall, primered it, painted the window frame, caulked and painted. And now I'm doing tack strip and carpet pad right now. I'll be back. I'll bring you guys in as we go and show you the updates. This is what we got so far, guys. We got carpet pad down, tack strip down. This is thin tack strip, so I did 2 layers because I want it to hold really good and I don't want to pull nothing up. Just your almost cheapest carpet pad from Menards. I think it's a 8-pound. Got a deal on some carpet a while back when we knew we were getting this place. We bought an entire roll of it from Home Depot for 20 cents a square foot. They wanted to get rid of it. We bought it's like a 64-foot roll for 120 bucks or something like that. It was cheap. We've done it for my daughter Avery's room upstairs. We're doing it for our living room, and we're going to do it for our stairs here as soon as this project's done. Yeah, we got the paint. Dog's still watching in the background. He just came in from outside. I'll bring you back in as I'm laying the carpet and show you how we do this. I'm going to start by shifting the carpet clear over this way so we can get an even start on the longest wall. Make it a little bit easier for us. Alright, I'll show you guys some tricks. When you're doing carpet, you do your tack strip. I can bring you over here. When you lay your tack strip down, you do about a finger space away from the wall. That gives you room to tuck your carpet down in as you kick it. Now this tack strip, if you look, these are all little nails facing towards the wall. They come up out of that board and then they turn like that towards the wall. So as you kick that carpet in, like you'll see me doing, it's going to stretch it. Now you should use a stretcher, but I don't have one, so we're using a kicker. This is a kicker. I'll take it and you'll see me do stuff like we'll put it up close to the wall and then you run your knee into there, and that will actually stretch that carpet out a little bit. That'll get rid of all the little bubbles and wrinkles that you see. And then as I go along and do that, I come along with this. And what this does is it pushes down on that carpet in between that tack strip and the wall. And you see how that just tucks in real nice. Now you can hear, if you listen close, you can hear that tack strip, them nails getting that carpet. Listen. That's that hooking in. So that now I'm going to unroll everything and kick it that way first, set that end, and then I'll come back from this corner and kick it that way, and I'll set it over there and a little over there. Then after I'm done setting it there, I'm going to work at angles out from this corner and keep setting it, and I'll trim as I go. I'll bring you guys back as I get a little bit done at a time. You walk along the edge like this and you can get it to lock in there good too. Sorry guys, bring you in here. Kind of trimming everything in. I got this back wall behind me here set over to that corner over there. Just started, so now this back wall is set and then this side wall is set along with the beginning of it right there. I'm going to do this, set that side, and then we're going to come back around and do this corner here. I'll try to keep you up there. If it's a bad angle, we'll be editing it out, but we'll keep you posted. Hey everybody, we're back again. This is the next day, Thursday, 2 days before Christmas. I ended up having to go rent a stretcher from Menards. My old knees just can't take kicking this big of a room in. I was getting lumps. This carpet's been rolled up for the better part of 2.5 years. I couldn't get the lumps out of it with just the kicker, so we had to go and get the stretcher. Hold on just a sec. Ran and rented this from Menards. It just pieces together. It's telescoping. Push these in. You can adjust the length and all that. That piece just goes against the wall and pushes. You pull down on this. Well, the bottom side of this has the teeth in it. You can actually adjust them down a little bit. But when you push down on this handle, it stretches that carpet, and then you just hook it on that tack strip like you do with the kicker. Start there, do one straight pull, and then kind of fan out from there. I'm going to keep on going. I'll bring you in once I get the room a little closer to being done. It's as easy as that. You just stretch, stretch, stretch. Chase the lumps. Get them all out. Now we're going to take this part, put it away, and then we'll tuck and trim everything and get rid of the scraps, and we'll be done. Ready for our Christmas tree that's overpowering our kitchen and all of the presents on the kitchen table. We'll finally have a finished living room. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. Finished, tucked, stretched, trimmed, cut, vacuum made. Wife should be very happy. The entire room. I'm not going to show you all the junk we got in our bedroom. Windows are repainted. There we be. Well, we got it done, everybody. Took us about 4 or 5 days. Wife's living room was done for her by Christmas. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, subscribe. Throw me a comment if you've seen anything you did different than what I would have done. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks. And Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Here it is. The finished product. Couches are in. We got the Buddha on the wall. Clock. The tree. She's so excited and happy that it's done. Merry Christmas, everybody. Well, the wife's happy and she says we did good. So now it's time to sit back on the couch and relax in our new living room.